Hello friends, welcome to engineering tutorial. So we'll continue our discussion related to half subtractor. So in this video we are going to discuss the implementation of half subtractor using NAND universal gate. So implementation of half subtractor using NAND gates. Okay, so for that certain things are very important, which is certain Boolean algebraic laws and especially De Morgan's theorem. So if you remember, we did it while we performed the same using half adder. So here the Boolean algebra laws and De Morgan's theorem, which is applicable, which is this. This is the first one, second one, okay, then the other laws which are applicable here, which is this and so you are familiar with these Boolean algebraic laws which we discussed while we discussed simplification and other things. We have covered all this, okay, so no need to go into detail about all this. And another thing which is double complement law. So double complement of a variable results in the same. So these 5 things which we will use to implement the half subtractor using NAND universal gate. So first, the block diagram of half subtractor, 2 inputs, the 2 bits to be subtracted, A, B. So AB means this minuend and subtrahend, okay, it is called, okay. So this is the difference, this is the borrow at the output side, okay. Difference is A bar B or A B bar, and borrow is A bar B. So now first we'll take the difference part. So we'll double complement it, which means it will result in the same. So A bar B or AB bar double complement, okay. So now we'll apply De Morgan's theorem to the innermost portion, okay, here the lower portion. So it is A bar B whole complement and A B bar whole complement, and then we have another upper complement here. So now our objective, if you remember, whenever you implement something using NAND gates, always make sure that every term which is present here, it should be in AND form and the whole should be complemented, okay. Here A bar B, it is in AND form, A bar B whole complement, it isn't complemented. So great, again A B bar AND form and whole complement, and the entire expression A bar B whole complement and A B bar whole complement, whole complement. So everything is in AND form, product form and in complement form. So it is easy to implement using NAND universal gate. So again, NAND gate, if you remember, it is basically AND with a NOT or inverter gate. So if we have XY as input, the output will be XY whole bar. Okay, X and Y whole bar. NOT plus AND is NAND. Okay. So now we'll perform the implementation. Let's keep it as reference. Okay. First we'll take A, then we'll get A bar from it. So we have got A and A bar, then B and B bar. So we have got A and A bar, B and B bar. Now we need A bar B whole complement. So we'll take B so we have A bar and B whole complement, and then here we'll take A so this curved portion means it is moving, this wire, this line is moving over it. It is not shorted with it. Okay. So don't confuse with that. Okay. So here we have, this is A B bar whole complement. So we have A bar B whole complement, A B bar whole complement. Now we'll apply these two inputs to another NAND gate. So we'll have this resultant expression, the thing which we want, that is A bar B whole complement and A B bar whole complement, then again a complement above it. Okay, let me okay, this is the final expression, which is the difference. Now borrow, we can get the borrow from here. See, borrow is A bar B. So here we have A bar B complement. So if we take this, okay, here let me use a different engine. Okay, this is A bar B whole complement. So if we take this output and apply it to like this, in this manner, apply it to a NAND gate, we will have A bar B, because A bar B double complement, it will be A bar B. This, the double complement of something, it results in the same. So we'll have A bar B. This is the borrow output. Okay, so here we have the difference and the borrow, all implemented using NAND universal gates. Okay, so this is the thing. So the thing here is to be clear about these Boolean algebra laws, because this is all what we have used here, these Boolean algebra identities, especially the De Morgan theorem and this. Okay, so we have used them, and here we have implemented half subtractor using NAND gates.